Hi learners, Miss Gammon here. I just want to get us started on the same page as we begin hybrid. So if you can please listen to this video, follow along on your screen, and then make sure that you know how to turn in assignments. Make sure you know what my expectations are. Make sure you know what you're working on each day. And if you have questions about any of that stuff, please reach out. So if you look at my screen, you can see that I have listed the week as our title or as the topic. So October 5th through 9th. Today is October 5th. It is Monday. And I also added this title that says Hybrid Week 1 so that as you look through Classroom, you can easily spot which week you are on or which assignments you are on. So then you'll see Monday, October 5th. If you were in class with me today in the purple group, we worked on this and completed it as a class. If you were at home, you should have been working on this at home on your own, or maybe you're still working on completing it. So it's pretty straightforward. What I also had people do is look at last week's assignments and make sure you're all caught up, and then be sure to hit the turn in button on all of your assignments. So that brings me to another really important point that I want to stress in this video. The turn in button becomes really important during hybrid because I only see you 2 days a week, and I need to make sure that you're working at home, that I have evidence of your learning, and that you are on pace with the class. So when you complete an assignment, you must turn it in, hit the turn in button, or mark it complete. Some have the mark it complete options. And also that'll take it off your to-do list, so it won't show up as a missing assignment, and you won't get any notifications about missing assignments. So make sure you're hitting the turn in button. If you have questions about that, let me know. Okay, so then I'm going to move on and show you that each day of the week you'll see a different assignment or activity. So you'll click. This is the assignment for tomorrow, Tuesday, October 6th. Step 1, read the poem, which is attached here. Step 2, answer the questions. And step 3, hit the turn in button. So when I click on the poem, it is pretty straightforward. It's part of social awareness and different race. You'll read the poem, quite short, and then answer the 6 questions here. Make sure to save your work and hit the turn in button as always. When I go back, I see October 7th. I'm going to click. Oh, whoa. Okay, October 7th. You are doing some self-awareness with this assignment and self-management. So there's a stress management PDF. You get to click on that, look through different strategies. Try 4 strategies, and then complete the reflection here. Tell me what you did. How would you rank it or rate it, 0 through 10? 0 being it wasn't great, I didn't really like it, and 10 being I absolutely loved it, I will recommend it to others, I will do it again. And then explain your rating. What did you like about it? What did you dislike? Would you do it again? Would you recommend it to a friend? Etc. Okay, after you're done with that, you guessed it, you can hit the turn in button. Thursday, we will go back to the poem that we read on Tuesday, and I will have you complete these questions and post them on this Padlet. So you can click the link. There's a section for each grade. Oh, I love it. There's people that are already completing this. So if you're a 6th grader, you push the plus sign and add a comment here answering these questions over on the left. Okay, I'm going to go back. And then Friday, I will not assign any new work on Fridays. Fridays are days to finish all assignments from Monday through Thursday. So what you want to do is go through, check that it's done, and you guessed it, hit the turn in button. Make sure that over the weekend you take care of yourself, get some rest, go outside, do something that makes you happy because that is part of your wellness. I'm going to scroll down now to information and resources. I have posted a parking lot here where you can tell me feedback. You can give me feedback. So what you do is you go to the parking lot and then you can type. So if you have a question like when is something due, okay? Or maybe you have a question about the content or how to access it, or you want to get more information on a topic, type it here. You can tell me positive changes, maybe it's not working for you well, something you want to give me some advice, put it here, and then ideas as well. Okay, so that is our digital or virtual parking lot. And again, that can be found in information and resources. I will try to check it once a week at least and then get back to you. Let me see what else was on my list. I'm also trying to give feedback in Google Classroom. So when you submit an assignment, I'm going to make a comment on it and tell you where you're at. So are you in progress? Did you meet the expectation or the standard? Or are you showing me deeper learning with that assignment? So I will put that into Google Classroom, so watch for that. Grading will be done in Empower instead of Skyward, and we are getting more information on Empower on Friday. So your parent and you will get an email about how to access Empower on Friday. The final thing I want to say is you can go back through our old units, so self-awareness, self-management, and social awareness, and mark those complete or turn those in if they are done, so that they get taken off your to-do list and they don't look like they're missing assignments. I think that's pretty much it. I think that you have a good sense now of what is expected during hybrid learning. If you have questions, feel free to reach out, and I can't wait to see you all this week.